Hi everyone, today is my birthday and I'm making something super special, a delicious Raffaello style cake and a refreshing frozen strawberry juice. Both recipes are quick and easy and so good, so let's get started. Let's make first whipped cream. Add 200 milliliters cold heavy cream, add 100 gram mascarpone and whip until stiff peaks form. Step 2. Melt chocolate. Melt 1 white chocolate bar about 100 grams in the microwave. Let it cool slightly, then add the melted chocolate to the whipped cream. Mix gently the cream. Dip now ladyfinger biscuit in milk, then place the first layer of soaked biscuit. Add a layer of the cream, add sliced strawberries. Add a second layer of soaked biscuit. Optional, you can sprinkle grated coconut. For decoration, I add Raffaello candies and fresh strawberries. Refrigerate before serving for maximum 2 hours. Now quickly, I will prepare the juice of my birthday. Don't skip the video. In a blender, add 200 g strawberries, 2 tablespoons sugar and a few ice cubes. Now add 2 passion fruits. You can replace them by bananas. Add about 250 milliliters glass of lemonade. Blend until smooth. For decoration, you can add strawberry slice on the rim of the glass or a mint leaf. Happy birthday to me, and that's my birthday treat, a no-bake Raffaello cake and an icy strawberry passion fruit juice. So easy, so tasty. Don't forget to check the description for all the exact quantities.